December 27th, 2022. The drawing is now done. I'm going to have to do a longer video to point out what each of the different drawings is, and liner cut sections, and the etching that are in there. Sightseeing with Dignity, Human Rights, Tolerance, Education, Art Series Artwork 55 just completed. I'm going to read the text on top here really quickly. After I posted footage December 25th, 2021 on YouTube of Facebook's commercial seen on ABC News without any closed captions to ABC's Como affiliate's Facebook page, Facebook blocked my account of 13 years, which had 800 friends, and Facebook blocked my pages, which I can no longer use, exclamation, exclamation, exclamation. 2 pages with 1,276 likes on human rights and Holocaust education with art. A page on PED, as in pedestrian safety. So we have 2 PEDs and a 1973 drawing I did with trucks careening down the road. A whole bunch of sketches done by 2 of my nephews back around 1990-91 when they were teens. And 4 pages, that is, on Vision Harmful website and hard copy graphic text design, which have 357 likes. I'll point out quickly a drawing I did in at Bubby and Zadie's Deli Coffee House in Champaign, Illinois, 1973. I added color to it the other day. Reorganized cut-up sections of a liner cut I did in London, England in 2017 about the sailing ship St. Louis, which left Hamburg in 1939 for Canada, the United States, and Cuba, with hundreds of German Jewish refugees seeking safe haven. A whole another long story about that. Half of a self-portrait etching I did, I think in 1981, that's the half that has me in it. A drawing I did the other day from a photo I saw in an article in The Guardian UK about the Nazi genocide of the Romani and Sinti peoples of Europe. This is a woman prisoner at the Auschwitz death camp in Nazi-occupied Poland, Z9260. And a liner cut I did in December 1972 called Vietnam. 2 proofs, one upside down, at least in terms of next to each other. A small liner cut print I did made in September 1973, printed October 8th, 1973, called The Mission. 2 men, 1 drinking from a cup, like coffee or whatever. After a artwork by the late American artist Raphael Sawyer. I see his last name got cut out. I'll have to add that over here. A portion of a liner cut I did in 2016, memorializing the French surrealist poet and anti-Nazi activist Robert Desnos, who was murdered by the Nazis during the Holocaust. Drawings from 1973. And I think I did these foliage sketches around 1990-91. The eyeglasses are from a liner cut I began in 1990, completed years later, about Primo Levi, the late Italian Jewish writer, chemist, and Auschwitz slave labor survivor, who sadly took his life in 1987. All right, there you have it. We're at 4 minutes, 29 seconds. I'll have to upload this to the library.